Join archaeologist Tom Lawrence on a journey through the beginnings of ancient Egyptian history. This course will give you a full understanding of the prehistoric, pre-dynastic, and Old Kingdom times of this fascinating and intriguing country. With location shooting at the Giza pyramids,
Now we're going to have a look at the pyramid of Khafre.
Saqqara,
So here at the Acropolis of Saqqara,
Dashur,
with the bed pyramid we can see
Memphis, and the Egyptian Museum, you will see the whole picture of the start of the wondrous empire and the people who were to make it the greatest early civilization. If you have an interest in ancient Egypt, then this is the course for you. Enroll now and let a professional guide you to knowledge.
Hi, my name is Tom Lawrence. I'm an archaeologist and I've lived and worked in Egypt for 20 years. As you saw at the beginning of the introduction, I won't just be telling you the history, I'll be showing you the history. We'll be getting close up with the monuments, we'll get around the museum and give you a complete picture of the history of this wonderful civilization, how it began with the early prehistoric peoples that entered the valley, that became the dynastics, leading up to the Great Pyramid builders. This is part one, which is up to the end of the Old Kingdom. I will be following it by the Middle Kingdom and the New Kingdom courses very shortly. In addition to all the knowledge you'll get in the course, I'm also adding over 5,000 pages of pre-downloadable material that you can read at your leisure. So I really do hope you enroll in this course. If you have an interest in Egyptology, this is your opportunity to get a really good insight and overview of how the civilization began.